Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 8, our final assignment, the term paper. What is the topic? The topic is the theme of pulchritude in literary art and in your life. 1,500 to 2,000 words, 120 points. All right, let's scroll down and survey this assignment and let's see what we have next. Well, we have the word pulchritude. We have this graphic with which we began the semester and with which we're ending it. And of course, pulchritude means beauty. And below this graphic, we have a pronunciation of the word pulchritude, should you care to review it. Okay, scrolling down more, we see we have 3 links. We have a timeline, the term paper requirements, and the workshopping the essay policy. We also have a part 1 and a part 2. And as we scroll down more, we see help with quoting, these links here, because you are writing a term paper and you will be quoting. All right, let's scroll back up the screen and let's look at our part 1 directions. And I'm going to read them with you. In 1,500 to 2,000 words, 6 to 8 pages, support a thesis and opinion about how important the theme of pulchritude is in literary art and in your life. You may use any of your discussion writings in this term paper as long as you integrate those writings smoothly and logically into your term paper. Okay, what is part 2? You will perform 2 peer evaluations, answering 7 questions about 2 of your peers' essays. Click here on this link for peer evaluation directions. Okay, so the peer evaluations that you'll perform in part 2 here for the term paper are different than what you're used to. Normally, you write 125 words, half a page in response to a peer's writing, but here we're doing something different. So we have the peer evaluations for the term paper, which you'll want to read very carefully, and you have 7 questions that you'll answer in regard to 2 of your peers' term papers. Okay, again, please read the directions carefully. All right, I'm going to click on the back arrow, which will bring us back into our term paper assignment, and we'll look at these links now, starting with the timeline. Okay, so the timeline for the term paper: post part 1, the term paper, by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday, June 2nd, 2019, and post part 2, the peer evaluations, by 11:59 p.m. on Sunday, June 3rd, 2019. If you think you won't meet this timeline for the term paper, please come over here to inbox and email me immediately. I need to know about that, and we'll find out what's up, and I'll try to find out if I can come up with a solution for you to whatever is causing you not to submit the term paper on time. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow, which will take us back into the links, and I'm going to click on the second link, the term paper requirements. Okay, I will not read these requirements with you. I'll just scroll down and show you the term paper requirements. Read them very carefully, okay? I'm clicking on the back arrow, and I'm back into the workshopping the essay policy, and you'll want to read this policy very carefully because it's a big part of my pedagogy, my teaching method, and also my grading system. And it can affect your class grade in a good way. All right, I'm going to click on the back arrow, and I'm back into the discussion 8 term paper assignment. I'm going to remind you that I'm over here in inbox. If any of the discussion 8 term paper directions are unclear, email me right away and I'll respond promptly. And once again, you're never emailing me too much. I'm never too busy to take an email from you, especially about the term paper. and email me as many times as you need to until you receive answers and clarity about the term paper. Okay, let's get started on this assignment.